In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Phantom strategy. There are a few things you need to keep in mind. You actually have to make 3 withdrawals before the money ends up in your wallet or your account. If you are successfully connected to the Phantom bot, you'll find everything here under Invest, Investor Dashboard, then under Phantom. Here you can see everything. The results are really impressive. Then just click here, and up here it already says withdraw, right? It clearly says withdraw funds up here at the top of the screen. So you simply click on it just once. And now, for the purpose of this particular test, I just want to withdraw a total of 100 units. It is important to note that the withdrawal is always automatically made to the very same account you originally deposited from, which in this specific case means from the MT5 account. A withdrawal from the PAM strategy can take up to 24 hours to be fully processed and completed. This time frame is necessary because it's a pooled account, meaning that a multitude of individual investor accounts are combined and managed together as one singular, larger investment entity. So I've already made a withdrawal once. That took, I think, about 8 hours. So the whole process can take up to 24 hours. That's why you should always withdraw from the PAM in good time, whenever you need your money. All right? Then right here, once again, carefully select withdraw, proceed to make the actual withdrawal, and then patiently wait. So once the money has been successfully withdrawn, you'll certainly find it here in your account, just precisely like when you initially deposited it. Now, you will need to carefully transfer the funds from your MT5 account over to this specific wallet. This means right here you will select the MT5 account, identified by its unique number, 482482, and then designate My Wallet as the destination. Following that, you will proceed to accurately enter the desired amount you wish to transfer, and finally, you will enter your secure password in the designated field here to complete the transaction. Done. Your request has been completed. So the amount has been credited directly here. So from MT5, it's been credited to the balance here. Now you want to withdraw this to your wallet. To do this, set up the wallet first, okay? If you navigate to My Wallet, you have the option to do that right here. Or alternatively, you can find it down here, or even at the top left corner by clicking on Tag Wallet. Following that, you should proceed to click on Your Crypto Wallets. It's important to note that you first need to successfully add one, so please click on the Add Crypto Wallet button located here. Then you enter your details here. Here you enter the wallet address, so your wallet address. Then which specific currency are we considering? So for example, let's say USDT here, which is a widely used stablecoin. Then it asks for the specific network, such as Ethereum, TRC, or BSC, right? Then click on Submit Crypto Wallet. Yeah, I already have one. So these things, these fields are definitely required. There are already 2 wallets in here, okay? That means if you have successfully and correctly added your digital wallet to the system, ensuring all the necessary verification steps have been completed and confirmed, then you will indeed be able to proceed with withdrawing this specific amount of funds directly into your newly linked and verified wallet right here. Also on My Digital Wallet, specifically within the Withdrawals section, you will need to carefully enter the exact amount of funds you wish to withdraw. After accurately specifying the desired amount, proceed to submit your request by clicking the Submit Request button, which will then initiate the processing of your withdrawal transaction. Confirm down here. Where to? Yes. Navigate to the specific linked wallet that you have just successfully added. Then, proceed to the Crypto section and select the Withdraw option. That's the complete process. Subsequently, your funds will be processed and will arrive in your account. It's been successfully debited here. This process can also take a few minutes, potentially up to 1 or even 2 hours to complete, and then the money will be with you as usual. That was the withdrawal process.